So next time you're at the doctor's office, remember, you're an individual, not a statistic. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dana, and this is Statin Talk. Today we're diving headfirst into a battle that's more heated than a pineapple on pizza. Yep, it's the Statin War. The skirmish is inspired by a pro-statin doctor's article titled, "Why Are We Still in the Middle of a Statin War?" Spoiler alert, it's not because statins are planning the world domination. So why are we still arguing about these little cholesterol-busting pills? Let's get into it. On one side, we've got pro-statin advocates waving the flags and shouting statins for all. On the other, we've got this statin skeptics who'd rather wrestle a bear than pop a statin pill. But why the divide? The article, "Why Are We Still in the Middle of a Statin War?" doesn't really answer its own question. Instead, it's more of a we should have won this already kind of rant. The doctor restates the mainstream medical position. Statins are the best thing since sliced bread. But why the resistance? Well, let's break it down. First up, pharmaceutical industry. Their main goal, making shareholders happy. Consumer health? That's like the bonus fries at the bottom of the bag. Not really the main focus of them. Pro-statin docs generally want what's best for the patients, but they're using an outdated risk calculator from 2013. There's a 2018 version that's more accurate, but apparently not as popular as its chosen VHS over Netflix. The risk calculators ask about cholesterol, blood pressure, smoking, and diabetes. But they leave out crucial stuff like high sensitivity C-reactive protein, coronary artery calcium score, and triglycerides. It's like trying to bake a cake without the flour. Now let's talk numbers. And I'm a numbers guy. In a study of over 28,000 people, the difference in the cardiovascular events between those who continued statins and those who didn't was tiny. Like, did I even do laundry? Tiny. We're talking about 1.7% difference over 4 years. Not exactly earth-shattering. This leads us to the crux of the issue, ideology. Statins are tested on populations, but prescribed to individuals. Interesting. It's like using one-size-fits-all pants. And I hear that all the time. Everybody's cholesterol must be under 70. It's great for some, but a disaster for others. Another biggie focus on the drug over lifestyle changes. Doctors might prefer writing prescriptions because, let's face it, convincing someone to swap burgers for broccoli isn't easy. But those of us who are statin skeptics believe lifestyle changes are the real MVPs. And then there's the spicy article calling statin skepticism a deadly internet-driven cult. Talk about dramatic. It's like someone who doesn't like pineapple on pizza. A culinary, Here's the deal. We're not anti-science. We're not a cult. We're just folks who want good information and effective treatments. And we believe lifestyle changes should come first, not statins. So next time you're at the doctor's office, remember, you're an individual, not a statistic. Ask a question. Demand personalization care. If your doc pushes statins without considering your personal risk factors, maybe it's time for a second opinion. Maybe it's time to find a different cardiologist. That's my take on statins. And that's my take on the Statin Wars. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit the share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or your topics that you'd like to hear me cover next time. And don't forget to check out this related video on why lifestyle changes might just be your heart's best friend. Thanks for watching. I'm Dana, and this is Statin Talk.